Mastering dashes and hyphens. Boost your writing skills. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating area of English grammar, the world of dashes and hyphens. We'll cover the common uses of these punctuation marks and share some practical tips to ensure your sentences are perfectly punctuated. Let's get started. Before diving into the uses, it's important to distinguish between dashes and hyphens. While they look similar, they have distinct functions in English grammar. A hyphen is a short line used to connect words and parts of words. For instance, it can combine two words to create a compound adjective like well-known. A dash, specifically an em dash, is longer than a hyphen. It is used to separate phrases or indicate a pause in a sentence. Hyphens play a crucial role in English grammar. Here are their main uses. 1. Forming compound words. Hyphens combine two or more words to create compound nouns, adjectives, or verbs, like mother-in-law or run-of-the-mill. 2. Showing word breaks. Hyphens can indicate a word continues on the next line in written text. 3. Avoiding ambiguity. They can be used to avoid confusion, such as re-sign, sign again, versus resign, quit. Dashes are more flexible than hyphens. Here are some common ways they are used. 1. Indicating interruptions or abrupt changes. A dash can show an interruption in dialogue or an abrupt change in thought. 2. Creating emphasis. Dashes can emphasize a word or phrase at the end of a sentence. 3. Setting off parenthetical information. They can enclose additional information, acting like parentheses or commas. That's all for today's lesson on dashes and hyphens. We hope this overview has clarified how to use these punctuation marks correctly. Remember, mastering these elements of punctuation can greatly enhance your English writing skills. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until next time, happy learning!